Hi, my name is Dimitri, and in this video I'll be showing you how to switch from Harvest to Clockify. While both Harvest and Clockify give you a way to track your time and expenses, run reports, and invoice clients, they offer a distinct set of features to help you with it. One of the most obvious differences between the two is that Clockify offers more features and more pricing options that are suitable for different team sizes. In its free plan, Clockify offers unlimited projects, clients, users, and reports, while Harvest's free plan offers only time tracking for 2 projects. Also, in Clockify, you can track time in multiple ways, through a timer, timesheet, kiosk, and auto tracker. Whichever method you use, your data will be synced. Later in this video, we'll briefly go over Clockify in more depth, but for now, let's see how to actually switch from Harvest to Clockify. You can import your data from Harvest to Clockify in just a few minutes. Harvest gives you an option to export your time tracking data from the Reports page. Once you're logged into Harvest, go to the Reports section and select the desired time range for which you want to export the data. You can export data right from the first time tab where you see your summarized information per client, project, task, or team member. But if you want to export certain information only, go to the Detailed Time tab and customize what you want to export from date range to clients, projects, task, and team. Before exporting, make sure that you have start time and end time selected here in Harvest settings. Once you filter out the data and run the report, you'll be able to export it as a CSV. Now go to Clockify web app, click Settings in the sidebar, and go to the Import tab. Click Upload CSV file and select the file you've exported from Harvest. Once it's done, you'll receive a notification that the import was successful, and you can check your newly imported time entries and projects in Clockify's detailed report. Just note, if you don't have a paid subscription or trial mode active, time entries won't be imported. In case you try to import the CSV file right away, Clockify will warn you about the occurring errors. For data to be imported, it should be displayed and named project, client, description, task, email, tags, billable, start date, start time, and finally duration or hours. Your exported Harvest file will have slightly different names for different categories. For example, the notes field in Harvest will be the description field in Clockify. The date field is the start date in Clockify, and the hours field is the duration field in Clockify. Date formats in the document and in your Clockify profile settings should be matched. And also, the time entry duration format in the file should match your workspace settings. After you reorder and rename information like that, your file will be ready for import. Only time entries for existing users in your Clockify account will be imported, so make sure you add your team and your users' email addresses are listed correctly in the file. If you wish to import only some of the information, you can manually delete the values in other columns and they won't be imported. In this case, Clockify will warn you that some files are missing information, but you'll still be able to import the rest. For edits in a text editor, categories you want to import should be separated by a comma, with their values in the row below also separated by a comma. In case you don't want to import some of the categories or their values, just type a comma instead of the actual text or value. Now, your data is ready and organized, and you can proceed to explore other Clockify features to customize it to your needs. If you have plenty of projects and team members, or just want to delegate some of the responsibilities to your other team members, you can assign them to a role of manager. Project managers can manage their projects and tasks, decide who will have access to the project, set project estimates, and create schedules. Clockify has a built-in scheduling feature that can be done from project view or team view if you want to schedule team members based on their overall capacity. Team managers can manage their team's time, manage approval of their timesheets, and time off. Time off in Clockify gives you a way to manage employees' absence and customize time off policies and holidays, so you can better allocate your resources. When it comes to profitability tracking, Clockify allows you to monitor your costs and budgets based on rates, budget estimates, and expenses. Rates in Clockify can be set for workspace, project, task, team member, and project member. This way, you'll have a more comprehensive view of how much labor cost or revenue is associated with each project, task, or team member. Expenses are recorded the same way as in Harvest, as a part of a specific project or kept as a log of your internal expenses. You can also bill them together with billable hours the same way you do in Harvest. Invoices in Clockify can be customized from the appearance point of view. You can customize default values for invoices and custom item types, and invoice item names. Additionally, an invoice in Clockify will have its status based on the payment and send status, so you will always know what has been billed, what is overdue, and what is partially paid. In case you need further details on time entries or team members, you can always create custom fields for users or time logs. Custom time entry fields will be visible in the detailed report, so you have all the details you need at a glance. Reports give you a way to filter out the information however you need, share them with others, and export. And besides time reports, you can use reports to monitor progress based on scheduled versus track time, track employee daily attendance, and have an overview of all the expenses. To learn more about reports and other Clockify features, be sure to check out our other videos and the relevant links in the description. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.